Kahinda kanini tu thutha wa mumbunge wa Nyeri Ngunjiri Wambugu gutwara ihoya riake igoti-ini, atongoria a kiama kia Jubilee ni mamenereirie ikinya riu makiuga ti murugamo wa Kiama.
I've just seen a copy of it online. It is not a Jubilee party petition.
Wambugu atwarire ihoya riake kuri komiconi ya wandikani wa magoti JSC akiuga ati mucirithania Maraga ni agararite watho thutha wa guteaniria maumirira ma kura cia president na kwoguo ndari na uigiririki wa guthie na mbere gutungata ta mucirithania munene.
Chief Justice Maraga kuria ni akwenda athuthurio ni undu wa uria atuire na kinalify presidential petition ya mugathe Uhuru Kenyatta, na nie ndiroria heo kahinda njoke kwe Judicial Service Commission andu aria makoragwo mamwandikite ndimahe itumi iria ciratuma njuge mundu uyu ndagirwo ni gukorwo ari hau giti-ini kiu aikarire.
Nayo ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro NASA ni menereirie ikinya ria Wambugu ikiuga ati cira ucio ni kionereria kia uria utongoria wa Jubilee ukoretwo kihotomia kihoto guku bururi-ini.
Disowning the Ngunjiri petition by Tuju is a cover-up of Jubilee intentions to intimidate and emasculate the judiciary before the October 17th election and on numerous petitions filed against Jubilee.
We want to have a country where respect for the rule of law is what rules us, not ethnicity and rage driven by malice.
Revolution in this country. You cannot kill institutions as important as judiciary and you think people will just sit and watch. It is not possible to sit and watch.
No kiama kia Jubilee gititirithitie ati Wambugu atwarite cira ucio ari ta mundu kiumbe na ucio tiguo murugamo wa kiama kiu.
It is a petition by a private member, a member of parliament. Of course, is a member of Jubilee, but I've just seen it. I've not read it in total. I just started reading it, then I came down here.
Kiama kia Jubilee na ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro NASA cigithiaga na mbere kunyitirira mirugamo mirumu egie mehaririria magucokera githurano kia president wagweterera kuoneka riu ni maria meguthie na mbere kwiyumiria orire muthenya wa gucokera githurano kiu onaguo uthiete na mbere gukuhiriria. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.